Minus 3 days to go live. Hi everyone, Miloš here. Hope all good, all great with all of you. I'm here enjoying Czech Republic, ready to go live in 3 days. And I wanted to mention a few things I noticed yesterday while being on site. Well, the first thing is that physical space is really important for the go live, really important to understand where different things are happening, where you can find the right people to align with and work with. There's one key room that's called usually the war room. It's a big room where all the key decisions are made and where you want most of the people to be seated, to be together, to be talking continuously, making sure everybody's on the same page. When you're in Go Live, try to understand which one is the war room. The project manager should clearly explain, hey, this is the room where everybody gathers when we need to align, when there's some key decisions to make. And apart from the war room, there's also usually smaller rooms, separate rooms for people who are solving problems. So if you're a problem solver and you're focused on one specific problem to solve, you generally don't want to be in the war room. You don't want to be around too many people because those are all distractions and everybody's aligning continuously. So you want to be in a separate room, in a smaller environment, quiet, hopefully with a very good big screen so you can be a little bit more productive, where you can focus on the issue at hand and solve it, fix it, okay? And the second thing I noticed yesterday is continuous alignment. So when you're in a moment of crisis, in an emergency situation, what happens is that you tend to over communicate. It sounds counterintuitive. Someone might say, hey Miloš, we have an emergency. Why are we talking so much? Why are we saying things twice? Well, the reality is that when there's an emergency, it's very important that the entire team is aligned and on the same page of what is happening, why this is happening, what we're going to do about it, in order then to take a coordinated action, coordinated steps towards the resolution and the way forward to solving the problems and the crisis. So it's very normal in a go-live situation that people are continuously aligning, continuously communicating, and making sure everybody's on the same page. So although counterintuitive, remember to over-communicate in crisis situations. And last but not least, in the go-live moment, the leaders stick out. So what I mean is that when there's an emergency, when there's a crisis, when there's pressure to deliver, it's normal for the leaders in the team to step up. It's literally a call for leadership. It's very instinctive. It comes from our human nature. So what happens is that leaders have certain traits. It's a much bigger topic, but maybe 3 things I noticed is that the leaders tend to take the hit for the team. So to face on the challenge, to not be afraid or scared, but to step and take the risk of facing the challenge directly. The other thing is the positive attitude. If you see someone is very down, depressed, upset, or nervous, usually the leader will step in and be reassuring, comforting, always with a positive attitude, always thinking, hey, we can do this, there's a way out, there's a solution, and we will find it, even when the solution might not be so obvious. And last but not least, apart from having positive attitude, that definitely helps no matter what, it's also about getting things done. You need to have the ability, either yourself or with the team, to get things done. You're in Go Live, you need to fix stuff, you need to fix bigger problems, you need to be able to find a solution, whether that's you directly or the bigger team or coordinating activities. It really doesn't matter. What matters is that in the end, the problem gets solved. All right, and with that being said, I need to run. I need to go on site. Wish me well, and I hope you enjoy these short videos, insights into Go Live situation, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone. Ciao.